This is not good. There's a hair. 2 hairs. Come down here. Here's a wee run. But here, we're not gonna let that get us down. Right guys, new episode here, and we're finally putting the BMW back together. So, we've got some pros and cons here. Pros are, we get to put it obviously back together. Cons are, there's a lot of orange peel on some of these body panels. Especially that, if you have a little closer look, it's not very good. However, the doors and that are looking pretty good, and they were the last things I obviously done. That always obviously what happens. Last thing's perfect. But panels over there are not too shabby. They're lying over there, just lying there. That I can put on. So yeah, things just need to get put back together. I can't wait to see this. It's been like, I got a reminder on my phone the other day. I took it apart a year ago. So let's do it. I think first things first, we're going to start with this boot lid. It's the easiest and it's right there. So we'll get that on first and foremost. Right, here we go. Got the big guns in here. He's already huffing and puffing at me. Wow. Right, so going to lift it like this, babe. Happy days. We got the boot on. Woohoo! And look here, look. I even labelled something. It's literally the only thing I labelled. Nothing else is labelled.
Stuff.
Boot stuff. And she goes when we stop. It's a miracle. I still have these parts. I don't know where the bag of door stuff is or anything else. It doesn't exist. Alright, here we go. Voila. The boot is on! Oh, it's coming together already. Sorry, Dottie. Nice! Say hi, Dottie. Right, so we need to get some of this body kit on. I want to see what it looks like. So, we'll pick from the selection here. Let's start, we'll start with this bad boy. Let's get her on here. Why are you going to get to start to see what it's going to roughly look like? Well, that's just so. Get in. There we go. One is on. Let's just hope all these holes don't need any work. Come on now, bite. That one's a wee bit ropey. But we're getting a visual now. Look at it. It looks better in the light. Oh, look at that. Tell me, you going?
I'm going.
See, look, come down here. Here's a wee run. But here, we're not gonna let that get us down. There we go. And like butter. These pre-drilled holes. Some job. Some job.
Who did that?
Myself. I know that some are. Oh, look, looks like we found. Oh no, she's going. Sweet. So that's that one at least just on-ish. Let's get this front bad boy on. Back into the scrap yard. Of course. Look at this. This is quick and easy. Chip Fuss, eat your heart out. Or from East Coast Customs. Bite his bit. And yeah, I do. There's a lot of sanding and polishing that needs to happen. I don't know if the camera can make that out, but she's orange peely, alright. There's a wee bit of red I could prime. Some of these are. I didn't give myself much room for error. There she goes. There she blows, baby. Alright. We're starting to see what it's kind of gonna look like. Look at that. Woo-hoo! We're getting close. We're getting close. Right, so I'm getting this front bumper on here, And I remembered that I don't actually have a way of holding it up. I was meant to cross that hurdle and I forgot to cross it. But I've got these right now. I'm going to hold it up with this right now, and that'll hold at least the sides. Yeah, I've got a hole there drilled, but I forgot to do the front, so I'll need to figure out something. But we'll just get it on, see what it looks like, and then we can get an idea of what we're up against. So I'm not putting these on properly. I just want to see if we can kind of see what it's going to look like. Happy days! Look at that. Starting to get a picture of what it's going to look like. So we got the doors on here. There's still a lot of adjusting to do. As you can see, that doesn't line up. It is a nightmare on your own. So I think when I have an extra hand here, I'll properly adjust it. But it's looking dynamite. Let's have a look-see. Still don't know, there's a big gap at the front. There's still a lot of messing about, trying to figure out where it's all going to sit properly. Still need to get the hood on. But so far, so good. She's looking dynamite. Cannot wait to get like the front splitter and that back on. Right, so I've pretty much got it all together now. I put the vents back on. The pins and stuff, the hood is on. The bumper is obviously... Hold on, let me just readjust that somewhat. The bumper needs a lot of work. Look, there's stuff in the way. It's just a mess. Oh, you fucking crap. There we go, there we go. Right, so that's her. Roughly on. The front bumper, I still need to make some sort of bracket. It's honestly so annoying. I totally forgot about it. But I'll get there. Right now, it's actually a couple of days after as well. So I've started sanding and polishing it. So when you see all this, I've managed to get all this back down to sort of flat. Look, you can kind of actually see where I've got here. I need to get it all like this, and then I'm going to polish the whole thing. And it's going to be a damn sight better than it currently is. So, yeah, so far so good. Look, here's another problem. Look, I'll show you this nice wee surprise I got. Well, I knew it, but I need to fix it now. So let me turn this round. Turn the wheel. As you can see, turning. Hitting. Not good. And I'm barely locked. And I want to slide this bad boy all over the place, and doing 3% angle isn't going to cut it. So I need to do some work on that. But the body kit is on, it's red. I'm happy. We're moving in the right direction. Let me know in the comments what you think of the car, if it's the right colour. You can slag me off for the bad paint job as well. Go full guns blazing, I'm ready. So thanks for watching this episode, guys. Don't know what I'm going to be doing in the next one. Probably something to do with that wheel or something. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and yeah, catch you at the next one, troops. Right, so I think first things first, we're going to start with this